Good morning, students. Today we start the new chapter, chapter 18, Energy, Forms and Sources. According to the updated syllabus of the government, it is 5th chapter. But in the textbook, it is the 18th chapter. Okay? Energy, Forms and Sources. In this lesson, we study about the different forms of energy. Okay, first we study about the what is energy. Okay, so here we use the energy to carry out different tasks, that means different works, and how much energy we have, that much work we can do it. Okay, so we have already talked about the work and energy in the class 9th. We studied about the potential energy and kinetic energy. So all the energies are depend upon the only two types. Some energies come under the potential energy and some energies comes under the kinetic energy. Potential energy means stored energy. Kinetic energy means used energy. Okay, which is in movement, which is in motion. Okay, so and we saw that there is a direct relation between the work and energy. That means how much energy we have, that much work only we can do it. If we are tired, we cannot do the work, we cannot do more work. Okay, so this energy, this energy was introduced by young British scientist. Okay, so his name is here Thomas Young. This 200 years ago he introduced the energy. This word came from the Greek word, that means it's in the textbook here, it looks like very small letters, Evergia Energia. Okay, what is that? Evergia Energy. Evergia Energia means internal energy, that means inside energy. Okay, so according to Young, work is inherent in energy. We can use this energy to perform some work. Okay, so how much energy we eat, that much, how much food we eat, that much energy we get it. Okay, so next one we see about the, and then we tend to associate the term work with living human beings. Okay, that means human beings only have the energy. We have that thought. So, when human beings are cave dwellers, okay, when human beings are cave dwellers means before human beings lived in the caves, na? So, when they are cave dwellers, they thought of that only the energy which is present in the body, the chemical energy. So, that one only we can use it. Okay, so primarily means first they used the chemical energy present in the bodies, then afterwards slowly then people developed, then they acquired new knowledge. New knowledge means now they get the new knowledge. So what did they do afterwards? They started to harnessing energy from their domestic animals. They started to get the energy from the domestic animals. Okay, here we see the pictures, na? They used the animals for the fluffing and to drag the some vehicles like bullock carts and everything, and to we can travel by the domestic animals. Okay, so all these things they found out. Okay, so the next one, afterwards what did they do after use? First they used the chemical energy which is present in their body. Second they used the domestic animals. Now they learned how to use the flow of water in rivers to sailboats. Now they used the water, how to sail the boats in the water. Okay, and then afterwards they also started using fire. Okay, then afterwards what did they use? They used the fire as a source of energy. Okay, so burning woods and animal fat. First people used fire to get warm during winters and as a source of light at night time. Then people started using fire to cook food and to prepare metals, glass or clay. So now they are using energy not just from the living, they using the energy not only from the living sources, also they started to use the animals and from non-living resources. Okay, they started not only the living things, they started to get the energy also from the non-living forms. Okay, first they use the chemical energy which is in their bodies, and the second they used the domestic animals, and the third they used the waters, they used the waters to sail the boats, and then firewood. Okay, so then again we listen to